Oh, good, good. Sorry for the hold up.
No, all good. Was it a good ride?
Yeah, very good.
You want to go first, Miguel?
Oh, no, no, no. I will hold you up. You guys go to your heart's content. All right. Rere Pia with the fast boy. Man, that's the S. That's the crack. Oh, kind of hard to get blind, but man, that's fun. This is what I'm doing now today anyway. Get used to it. Oh, dust cloud. That's the shadows, huh? Man, them boys are good. Stay on the line. Oh man. Oh man, can't see. Oh, easy hard. Oh. Should have taken their offer. It was dusty ass.
It was dusty.